beauty that surrounds me in this paradise of Mount Tutu Sanctuary. The towering trees that unfold our safe haven, standing as they have for many a century. It's our amazing place, the views from this mountain with so much space. Peace reigning here in peaceful mountain air, Mount Tutu Sanctuary. While she praises pastures so green, fresh spring water